What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of L&B Outdoors. We heading now to get us a new project. I'm gonna show y'all here in a little bit and let y'all get a first glimpse. So y'all stay tuned. So what you see is we got to get some different tires on these rims. 315 new Holland hay baler, square baler. It's gonna be our new project. We have the Massey Ferguson 10 at the house. Of course, it's getting old and wore out, but I wanted to see if I couldn't get this one going. It's got a bigger pickup area. Should be able to produce some heavier bales. Parts are way more readily available for this. So I'm hoping this is going to be a good purchase. So y'all stay tuned. We'll see if we can't get it to the house. Hey everybody, just wanted to give a quick update. After a couple hours, we got our tires on. Got it off the jack stands. And then, this Florida rain had a little thunder boomer pop up. So we're sitting in the truck, waiting on this rain to pass. So hopefully it won't be too much longer. We'll be able to get this thing hooked up to the truck and get it to the house, where I can start working on it and seeing what all it needs. Pretty excited about this new baler to me. I'm excited about some stronger, heavier bales. That Massey Ferguson 10 baler that I got, it's done good. I've tried different variables, cleaning the knotters, cleaning the bill hooks, cleaning the sweeper arms, trying to deburr everything. It always still wants to break the string or the twine. I went with a different twine. I'm gonna try again one more time for a different twine, different size and tensile strength, and see where that takes us. I'm not ruling that Massey out. I'm still gonna use it when I can, but if I can get this new Holland 315 going, it'll probably be my primary baler, and that Massey will be my backup baler. But y'all just stay tuned, and maybe this rain will quit here in a little while. Alright, well, she's hooked up and pulled out of the weeds. The rain has quit. Got it all hooked up, ready to go. So we're fixing to take this jewel and ease it to the house. I'll check out that tire bearing right there. It didn't sound bad, but is it me, or y'all comment below? But the tire looks like it's leaning in a little bit. But we're gonna go slow. We're gonna go easy. So here we go. Y'all stay tuned. Well, we're rolling down the road. As you can see, it's in tow. Maybe we'll make it on to the house. So just stay tuned. Well, we made it home. Grass is looking greener. Getting some rain. It's spitting rain now. Now we can get a better look at it. New Holland 315. A lot of the sheet metal's got some rust holes. I'm not too much worried about that. But we got to grease all the chains, check all the oils, and get everything situated where we can possibly hook it up in a little while. I say a little while, probably a couple of days before we can get a chance to work on it. Once again, it's raining. Getting rained on right now. But I think the main thing is what happened in the beginning. As it crashed one of the hay feeder forks, the feeder system. And there's a fellow YouTuber, I think his name is Franklin County Forge, he's up north, and he talks about a bar in here that goes, well, the bar's still in there, but it's been unbolted. And what had happened is it crashed one of them feeder forks and broke it off. But if you watch his videos, he tells you in one of the videos when he's redoing the bearings and stuff on this feeder bar, that on the 315, 316, 320, 326, if that bar's in there, get it out. Unless you just keep your baler maintained 100% and you know what to look for. He says that can cause more problems and cause heartaches like this than anything.